Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Sophie, and welcome to this very long English lesson for beginners. Today, we are going to learn something very important for daily life. Today's lesson is the days of the week in English. We use the days of the week when we talk about school, work, appointments, meetings, travel, and daily activities. So, learning the days of the week is very important to speak English in real life. In this lesson, we will learn the 7 days of the week, pronunciation practice, how to talk about your schedule, conversations using the days, example sentences, exercises, and long speaking practice. Take your time, listen carefully, and repeat after me. Let's begin. The 7 days of the week. Listen and repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Repeat again slowly. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Very good. Important rule. In English, the days of the week always start with a capital letter. Example: Monday, Friday, Sunday. Excellent. Monday. Monday is the first day of the work week in many countries. Repeat. Monday. Example sentences: I go to school on Monday. I start work on Monday. Monday is a busy day. Repeat slowly. I go to school on Monday. Very good. Tuesday. Repeat. Tuesday. Example sentences: I study English on Tuesday. We have a meeting on Tuesday. Tuesday is my study day. Repeat. I study English on Tuesday. Excellent. Wednesday. Repeat. Wednesday. Example sentences: I work on Wednesday. We practice English on Wednesday. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Repeat. I practice English on Wednesday. Very good. Thursday. Repeat. Thursday. Example sentences: I go to the gym on Thursday. I study English on Thursday. Thursday is a busy day. Repeat. I study English on Thursday. Excellent. Friday. Repeat. Friday. Example sentences: I finish work on Friday. Friday is the last work day. Many people are happy on Friday. Repeat. I finish work on Friday. Very good. Saturday. Repeat. Saturday. Example sentences: I relax on Saturday. I visit friends on Saturday. I watch movies on Saturday. Repeat. I relax on Saturday. Excellent. Sunday. Repeat. Sunday. Example sentences: I go to church on Sunday. I rest on Sunday. Sunday is a quiet day. Repeat. I rest on Sunday. Very good. Talking about your weekly routine. Now let's make longer sentences. On Monday, I go to school. On Tuesday, I study English. On Wednesday, I practice speaking. On Thursday, I read English books. On Friday, I review my lessons. On Saturday, I relax and watch movies. On Sunday, I rest and spend time with my family. Repeat slowly. On Monday, I go to school. On Tuesday, I study English. On Wednesday, I practice speaking. On Thursday, I read English. On Friday, I review my lessons. On Saturday, I relax. On Sunday, I rest. Excellent. Conversation practice. Conversation 1. Hello. Hello. What day is it today? Today is Monday. Conversation 2. Hello. Hello. Do you study English on Tuesday? Yes, I study English on Tuesday. Conversation 3. What do you do on Saturday? I relax and watch movies. Conversation 4. What do you do on Sunday? I go to church and rest. Excellent. Asking questions about days. Examples. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. What do you do on Friday? I finish work on Friday. What do you do on Sunday? I rest on Sunday. Repeat slowly. What day is it today? Today is Monday. Very good. Practice exercise. Answer the questions. What day comes after Monday? Answer. Tuesday. What day comes after Friday? Answer. Saturday. What day comes before Sunday? Answer. Saturday. Excellent. Long speaking practice. Repeat slowly. Monday is the first day of the week. Tuesday is a study day. Wednesday is the middle of the week. Thursday is a work day. Friday is the last work day. Saturday is a day to relax. Sunday is a day to rest. Very good. Full example for your video. Hello everyone, my name is Sophie. I am your English teacher. Today we learn the days of the week in English. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We use the days of the week to talk about our activities. For example, on Monday I go to school. On Tuesday I study English. On Wednesday I practice speaking. On Thursday I read English books. On Friday I review my lessons. On Saturday I relax. On Sunday I rest. Practice these days every day. Repeat them slowly and clearly. That is the end of today's lesson. Today we learned the days of the week in English. Practice every day. Speak English every day. And I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.